Hello again, lovies. This time we're gonna explore more of the functions in Excel. But the good thing is, we will not gonna memorize na the functions because the Excel made it easier for us. They created a function library wherein you can find or you will be provided the syntax per functions itself. So all you need to do is just to visit the formula tab. And you will see here, insert function. But before that, again, the same thing, always identify first where do you want the answer to appear. So in our case here, we're gonna compute how many students, particularly how many female, how many male. So since we identified na saan yung cell natin, we click the insert function and then a window will appear here at the right side of our screen. So since we are going to count, you need to type here what do you want to happen. So the keyword here is count. Click enter and then you'll be given with all the functions relating to counting. And since we're not going to count digits, because again take note, the count, this count, will only compute data with numerical data. So hindi siya nagko-compute ng may alphabet. So, hindi natin siya magagamit. So, in this case, all you need to do is to click functions here and then you will see descriptions here. Okay? So, since that is statistical, so, for example, we're going to use count if, and since the definitions here fits what I want to happen, I will click count if and then insert function. So, notice you will be given a syntax na. All you need to do then is just to provide the data. So range, take note guys, the range is also known as your argument. As per the book, they've used the word argument as the term. For the Excel, the term really is range. That is also known as our cells involved. So since we're gonna count the number of female, we're gonna highlight the column to which the gender is placed. Take note, hindi kasali yung header, only the data. Okay? And then since we already highlighted our range or our argument, you proceed to the criteria. Now, criteria is referring to the word found in your range. Okay? So since we are looking for female, of course, our criteria here is female. Take note, kung anong spelling ang ginamit mo dito, the same spelling should be encoded here in the criteria part. Because if hindi siya mag-match, hindi niyan ma-identify ni Excel. So after filling the data needed, all you need to do then is click done. And then voila, you have your answer. So sabi ni Excel, meron kang 4 female. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama naman si Excel. Let's try naman this time for male. So the same process, all you need to do is to go to the count. Click your desired function, insert function, your range. Take note again, your range is where the criteria is found. Type your criteria. Again, criteria are some of the data inside your range. So this time, male ang hinahanap natin. And then, click done. Sabi niya, merong 6 male. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama naman si Excel. Now, let's try another functions. Explore natin ng maigi. This time, we are asked for the average rating of the classroom. So, tong range na to. But, it's more specific. Kailangan yung average rating lang ng classroom na bigay ng male at bigay ng male at ng female. So, the same. Dito tayo. Since we're looking for average, we're gonna encode the word average. Okay. Enter. Oops. Wrong spelling, wrong. Okay, so again, just click. You will be given definitions. If you find the definitions that you want to happen in your Excel, yun na yung i-click mo. So since we are looking for statistics, dito tayo banda maghahanap. If average A ang pipiliin mo, i-compute niya yan lahat. If average if, meaning may pagpipilian ka lang dito sa mga criteria mo. So, we're gonna use average if. Insert function. Okay, you're gonna be asked for range. The first range to be given is to where the criteria is found. And take note, our criteria is the word female. So, saan makikita yung word na female? Dito sa column ng gender. So, therefore, our first range is here. And the next criteria we are looking for, female. Average range will be the column to be computed. Okay? Highlight. And then, take note, repeat ko lang. First range is where the criteria is found. Type the criteria. Second range is what you are going to compute. Okay? Clear tayo dyan? After that, done. Alright. Let's try kung tama ba. Equal sign, average. Manual natin, ha. Okay. Iisa-isa natin to. Comma, 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 comma. Oh, wala na palang comma. Close parenthesis na yan. And then, enter. Tama naman, 3.5. So, that is how you use functions through the function library. So, answer the rest of it. I hope you will enjoy, explore, and see you in the synchronous class. Bye!